Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm by name Ihedo Fan, and this is my first time of ever trying to fix. So I'm glad you're here to see how the fight goes or the war goes. Whichever one you'd like to use. So this was actually my first time of ever fixing a ribbon on myself. I've fixed one or two times for I think for my sister, and today I've been making crochet on my hair, but today I decided that I wanted to try fixing a ribbon on my hair. And let's just see how it goes. But I really tried, let me test myself. Or better still, encourage myself. The weaving is funny, right? I couldn't make neat parts. Okay, so this is how to fix. You put in your needle along with the thread. For the first time you just pull out. The second time you put in your needle along with the thread and the ribbon. Then you pull out, you put the needle out, put it into the loop, then you make a knot. Okay, see it here again. Okay, this is how to take out the needle. First of all, cut the needle out, then you make a knot. To make a knot, you separate the thread, then you tie like 2-3 times to make a good knot. At this point, there's no going back. I'm really happy because I've made progress. I forgot to tell you guys, on this day I was sick. Like I was having gum ache, or my gums were swollen. So yes, my cheeks were swollen too. So I'm done right now. I'm just installing, I'm just putting in my closure. I'm just sewing it in. At this point the sun was out and it made the video look bad. I'm sorry. Thanks for sticking to the end of the video to see how much I struggled to fix my very first weave on. Hope to see you next time. Thank you.